Don't download Asana Enterprise Portfolio Management app before watching this. Before you download Asana Enterprise, let me share a secret most people overlook. Asana isn't just a task manager. The enterprise version transforms into a full portfolio management system, and that's exactly why so many users get overwhelmed. Asana Enterprise offers workflows, goal tracking, workload management, advanced security, and automation. But the surprising truth is that the platform only works if your team commits to consistent usage. You won't believe how quickly projects fall apart when only half the team updates their tasks. First, understand your hierarchy. Asana uses tasks, projects, portfolios, and goals. Most people jump straight into projects without defining the top-level goals, which leads to scattered work and unclear priorities. Start with goals, then build portfolios underneath. Second, automation is your friend. You can assign tasks, set due dates, trigger follow-ups, and move items based on rules. But most teams underuse automation and rely on manual reminders. With enterprise-level automation, you can eliminate half of those repetitive coordination tasks. Third, Asana's reporting tools are powerful. You can track workload, measure project health, and spot bottlenecks early. But the reports only work when your team logs everything. Missing updates equal misleading dashboards. On the bright side, Asana Enterprise improves collaboration dramatically. When set up correctly, you'll have clear priorities, fewer duplicate tasks, and faster approvals. So should you download it? Yes, if you want well-structured portfolio management and you're ready to enforce consistent team usage. But if your team won't adopt a new system fully, Asana Enterprise may feel like overkill. If you enjoy deep dives like this, subscribe so you never download the wrong app again.